How to fix black screen while gaming on Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, apply the latest version. For that, press the Windows button. Right click on it and click on Settings icon. Navigate to Windows Update at bottom left corner of your screen. And you need to click Check for updates at top right. And download and install any available updates and restart your computer and check if the issue persists. Method 2. Update graphic drivers. Right-click on Start or Window button. Open Device Manager. Locate Display Adapters and expand it using or clicking this arrow. Now right-click your graphics driver or card and choose Update Driver. And select automatically for drivers and let Windows find and install the latest version. Then restart your computer to apply the changes. To restart, you can easily right-click on the Start button and click Shutdown or Sign Out and click Restart. Now finally, you can reinstall graphic drivers. Again, click on Windows search icon at bottom left and search for Device Manager. Now click Open as above and expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics cards and after that click on Uninstall button and you can easily reinstall this graphic drivers from your computer and after that your issue should be fixed. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.